Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joy. Today I will be sharing with you what I use vitamin E oil for in my skin, and it's very beneficial in the skin, so when you use it every time. So today I'm going to be using it with Vaseline petroleum jelly. So when you want to apply this, if you have a cracked heel, if you have a dry skin, a dry lip, a dry hand, this vitamin E oil plus Vaseline is super effective when you use it every day, and I'm gonna show you how you can mix it together with this Vaseline. So guys, I'm gonna be needing 3 capsules of vitamin E oil. If you don't have the capsule, you can use the normal oil, the vitamin E oil. It comes with a little bottle. So now I'm gonna add my Vaseline. I'm just gonna scoop my Vaseline into my container. So I just open the vitamin E oil. I'll pour it inside. This oil will moisturize your skin. If you have a dry skin, this is perfect for you, and if you have a dry lift, it's perfect for you. It's gonna moisturize your lift. If you have a dry feet, maybe your toes is dry, just use this. Apply this every night before going to bed, and you will see the amazing result. This vitamin E oil works wonders in someone's skin. It will help to moisturize your skin, it will smooth your skin, it will remove sunburn from your face. If you have a sunburn, dark circle, this vitamin E oil is super effective. So you just mix it together. And this mixture can last as long as you can keep. I'm just using the little one to show you how you can do it. You can mix more quantity one, like so many if you feel like. So I'm just using this small one to illustrate to you. So now how you to apply it. So just gonna apply it. I'm gonna use my hand now to apply it. So you just apply it. You apply this every night. It's going to remove wrinkles, fine line, pigmentation. This cream is going to remove dark circles when you apply it every day. So you try it every day, you will see amazing results. Everything you don't need in your face, in your skin, just apply this. All the bacteria, everything, this thing is going to just remove it and clear it off in no time when you apply it every day. So this is very effective. It's very good. Everybody knows that vitamin E oil is super good. So if you try it every day, you will see that your dry skin, you will not feel any dry skin anymore. So you apply this every day, maybe before going to bed or after, or if you want to go to work, you can wear this, you are good to go. So this is very effective. All the fine line, wrinkles, pigmentation is gonna just take them off, and it's gonna moisturize your skin. If you have a dry skin, it is perfect for you. Whatever thing that you don't want in your skin, just apply this. You will see that it will not be there anymore, and it will smooth out every acne on your face, wrinkles, everything that you don't want in your skin. Just apply this and you will see the amazing result. Thank you for watching this video. If you know this video was helpful and useful, please subscribe. Turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And share this video with your friends and family. Check out other of my video. I have amazing and interesting video that you'll benefit from it. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Bye.